Well, if they put it at the bottom, that's basically.
And why are y'all putting it that way?
Yeah, just put it at the bottom.
Don't move.
No, it has to start somewhere.
No, wait, that's unfair. You didn't even set it in the right way. I said it the right way.
No, you didn't.
It's definitely gonna.
He wants it that way.
No.
Oh, there it goes.
Sorry, Dane.
I don't think it lasts that long.
I'm sorry, Dane. We won.
Did you just say you hate you to the mudslide?
All right, Dane, what is it at
I
down
hate
there?
you, Mudslide. You
50
ruined
or
my
something?
family.
52. You want it?
No, that's not
That's gonna go down real fast. I already know.
Is it okay if I put you on the 80?
other way so
Yes, ma'am.
You're doing
have
math.
much water.
Okay, 80. Is that good?
Yeah.
It's going down.
Yelling timber.
You guys aren't even putting it in the rocks. Like, you're not even setting it. It's just standing right on.
What do you mean? It's right on the rock.
Oh, yep. There it goes.
Putting it like
That's way more
We do bad. That's like more than 30.
it stayed up.
Okay, that would work.
That is not even close to what a mudslide would look like or happen.
Excuse me.
He's completely cheating.
Hey!
He won't move.
I don't like that.
Anchor.
I don't like that.
That's completely cheating.
What is y'all's definition of over the edge? I like that.
Over the edge.
It is over the edge. You can see it.
Okay,
It really
guys.
isn't. Just the edge.
You modified it.
They didn't
I
even
like
pull.
that.
Yeah, it's really okay, good job, you guys.
Good job. Why did I just?
Can you try it upside down?
Oh.
Just for me. Can you just try it that way first?
I did not hit you. Every time you go.
We'd have to do more to the straws to make it stand.
Yeah.
Like you can hit somebody in their knee and they'd be like, oh. Hit somebody in their shin. Oh,
She's got it started at the 82.
and guys are just like.
Oh, there it goes.
Okay, you guys, as if. All right, ready?
You
That
failed.
thing's going down. It's too large.
I don't even feel it yet.
Okay. Wait.
You're barely.
This is too difficult. All right, who's next?
Jesus Christ.
Anybody else need to try?
Project Lift? Oh no.